There is something that many people miss out on social media marketing. They forget that users are human because they talk through machines. Some offline marketing techniques also work online. No matter how bad the economy is, people who need it are willing to pay for it. There are 5 ways to make relationships on social media. A type that gradually expands offline, focusing on acquaintances you actually know. Let your friends share your posts and expand from there. Let people find you using hashtags and keywords. Expands on the basis of interest. A type that joins a specific Facebook group and then expands around group members. Contact influencers or celebrities. Among them, the social media marketers can use hashtags and keywords to promote their business. Marketers should consistently create good quality contents. You can't satisfy everyone. You need a killer content that satisfies a particular purchasing group. Killer content refers to content that can give alternatives to people who are experiencing certain problems, not content that anyone needs. More reviews bring more customers. If you see your friends enjoying certain products, it attracts you to purchase it. No one recommends you, but you still want them. This is because social media, like offline, often become friends with people with similar interests, tendencies, and values.
If you like this video, please subscribe and like this channel. It was Korean Library. Thank you.